You know how Zoom meetings were 40 minutes unless it was a one-on-one?
I don't know anything about Zoom meetings.
Anyway, they are. So I don't know, maybe there's some. Anyway, when we were halfway through our writers group meeting, Savitri said, oh, they've extended our Zoom time.
Yeah, right.
So we might have done it in a time when the meetings weren't very popular.
Oh, maybe there's a free Zoom and a business Zoom. So people with businesses can pay $20 a month to have Zoom, and I'm sure you're not doing that. So you're probably on a free Zoom.
Well,
so maybe there's a limit to the free ones.
I thought that the Rotary one was a free Zoom, and I think that the Power Talk one is too.
Yeah, right.
So I think Power Talk Zoom is called a go-go.
Yeah, right.
Or something that's not Zoom, but I don't know if it's a subsection of Zoom or a bit like Apple and Windows. Are Apple and Windows two different things of the same product?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's an Apple company and a Microsoft company. Yeah. Yep. That's XXX.
What was DOS?
Windows.
Ah. I don't think they have DOS anymore, do they?
I found an old email this morning that said, do you want a better experience with Windows 7? Which is like 10 years old.
Windows 7, that would want to be better. Even I've got Windows bloody 19 or something.
So I saw that and I said to Jay, well, I can delete that one.
Today was in the cryptic crossword puzzles. One of them was something about a French bad smell. I forget what the clue was.
Was it Pepe Le Pew?
It was. Except, and I have no idea how you spelled it, except that it was La, P-E-W, for the purposes of this particular crossword. So I doubt that it was spelled like a church seat. But I'm thinking, I'm sure that anyone younger than my children couldn't possibly get that right, because I doubt that you'd find old cartoons from 100 years ago and know a Pepe Le Pew, would you? I can't recall. I mean, I'm sure he was a skunk.
Yeah.
It was striped, some sort of striped animal that didn't come from Australia. But I thought, good
But he
Lord.
would throw on the sexy accent, you know.
Did he have a sexy accent?
He was French.
Good Lord, I always thought he was the people that you'd call a roue or canas in Sound of Music.
Oh, I don't know what that means.
Arseholes that try to get into your pants, I imagine. Sorry, I should have said that in more polite language, but that covered it.
Different experiences. Okay. So just about everything I put in physically goes back to emotion and it jams your lymph. So the three of them are very much interconnected at the moment. So when we're doing some massage in a minute, I might do some lymph stuff as well, just get the lymph moving as well. How's the lower back been?
Oh, the lower back has generally been fine ever since whatever it was that they put in me after the chemo to take good stuff out of my marrows and bugger up my bones. Reduce white blood cells, I think, was what they said. And it was definitely done from my marrow, and it definitely had me in tears. And Carmel said if I wanted to do any more, I wasn't to do it when she was watching.
It's pretty hard to watch someone you love in pain.
It was pretty hard to be. I love myself a lot too, because it was hard to watch me to watch. That must have been my problem.
I'm not doing this again. I like your colour coordination here.
Yes. I went downtown and bought these pants one day when I had wardrobe malfunction. And since as soon as I finished my radiation, I'm going to lose the weight, but I can't lose the weight until after the radiation,
Yeah.
or I'll be zapped in the wrong places of my tit, because they're the things that first
Yeah.
lose weight when you lose weight.
Yeah.
And they have to stay the same size so that I get zapped in the right place. I asked them why on earth they kept carrying on about my weight.
And why?
Oh, because it's after they put the little tats on my tits, which they did on Thursday.
So you're no longer as skilly as a clean skin.
No. I'm not.
Ah, tattooed, huh?
Yes.
Well, there you go. You think you get through life without a tattoo?
At least mine aren't as offensive as some people. I haven't got any nude ladies. I don't say mum or dad. No snakes or skulls or roses or barbed wire. Right many tattoos that really.
I don't mind a good tattoo.
Well, I can just imagine if I got a redback spider on my bloody forehead, you would all probably refuse to kiss me.
Yeah, that would cause social distancing quick smile. Well, our amygdalas would go off every time we saw you.
What's an amygdala?
The amygdala controls the fight, flight, freeze, run away, hide, scream. Yeah. Okay. Cool.
You don't even die. You didn't even die from bloody redback bites going back 95, 96 years ago.
What do you mean? What? So don't they kill people? So they tell people they kill people, don't they kill people?
Auntie Phil got bitten by a redback spider when they were little. Marita got bitten by a centipede. I mean, Marita cried all day. She
As you
was
would.
only little.
Okay.
And Auntie Phil might have cried all. Mum didn't say that she did, but I know that Auntie Phil got bitten by a redback spider. She didn't die till she was over 80. Marita's birthday was yesterday. Fancy spending your bloody birthday in hospital.
Yeah, that sucks.
Sure.
How's your neck been?
What do you mean my neck?
Your neck. Has your neck been sore at all?
It's got double chin on it.
Besides a double chin.
I've had more trouble when my chin, not my double bit.
Yep.
You have the pillow up and it bumps the porta cath, and there's something else in one of these other veins, which of course I can't find now.
Yeah, right.
But somewhere where they put a little bit of string inside it for when they were putting chemo in.
Yep.
There's another one somewhere around in here somewhere that isn't that.
Okay.
But when your neck or your chin hit that and you wake up and your chin is close to any of those things, the pain is not at all amusing. And the middle of this armpit is quite.
Yeah, well, I've been leaving that alone, trying not to create unwanted pain.
This armpit is coming all better. I don't have to shave my
Okay.
legs or armpits anymore.
I'm going in. I know it's going to hurt. There it is. Okay, scale of 1 to 10. 10 out of 10 in pain?
What?
The pain. How bad?
When?
Just then, when I poked it. How bad was the pain?
Oh, only about 3.
Oh, okay. So the face was the anticipation of the pain, not the actual pain itself?
As soon as the pain starts, my face gets ready.
Mm-hmm.
And
I'm just pointing out to our listeners, I didn't actually cause pain.
she didn't cause pain. She just didn't. She did not cause me to swear or to break the bloody the noise box on the whatever the recording device.
You gotta have fun.
It wasn't like when they went to give me my first dose of chemo.
It did go into the amygdala escape submission free, so I touched that area where they removed the lymph nodes and her body where amygdala went into escape submission freeze, wanting to run the hell out of here. Yeah,
Right,
the
okay.
face was just preparing.
Well, sometimes when you go in there, I feel like you might be planning to kill me. Sometimes, of course, I've done it myself. I don't mean...
Last time when I did this pressure, you were screaming.
Yeah, it was a lot worse last time.
So it's improved hugely.
Needless to say, I've had the good sense to only do something on the surface, like whatever you call that.
Yeah.
Light massage on the surface.
Yeah. Yeah, right. I wonder if we could do up an essential oil mix for you to use. So there's some essential oils specifically for the lymph.
Ah,
Things like juniper and rosemary and, anyway, there's some good ones that help to stimulate the blood supply in the area, blood and lymph.
I don't know if I've got Lang Lang at home.
No, that's useless for this. I'll smell pretty.
The other day I soaked in
Come back here again.
Epsom salt.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the water was hot, so maybe because I was there for an hour and a half, I don't know, but long enough so that the dog came in about 3 times to check that I was still alive. Until I took his collar off and then he thought, shit, she's going to bath me, so he never came back again. And then the ginger cat kept coming in to check on me.
No, that's good. Okay. Okay. Beautiful. Yes, there's a new program for this body now in the future. The old program for this body is no longer necessary now in the future.
What did that mean?
It's for your subconscious brain to say, okay, forget the pain, I'm moving forward.
Oh,
Okay, see you later, guys.